right here I have a bike lock that uses this combination, and I'm going to show you how to crack it. I just found this on the street today, and I looked through some other ways to get it open, and this is the best way that I found. So what you do is you take the key part that slides into it, right about here, slides into it, and you pull on it. Pull on the whole thing. You start off with the furthest away from it. You go down until you hear either a loud click or some pressure on it. Okay? And the one that you feel the click on is the number. Okay? Usually it'll be the one right before it. So I just felt some pressure right there, and I'm pretty sure that's the number right there. Alright, so I just felt some there, and then there we go. And that's how you get it open. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, just comment, subscribe, send me a message. Thanks.